we will continue to talk about push factors related to the talent management. Uh, you can also think about if you have worked in an organization or based on your observation, why or what could be the reasons an employee would like to leave an organization. Um, we will talk about some factors and we will continue to shed light on those factors. Something known here is known as a social norms. When we are referring to social norms and hierarchies, actually we are talking about the authority and responsibility. This is the way how organization is structured. So, who is responsible and who has the authority to do something in the organization? It has a significant impact on the talent, or in other words, the employees or frontline employees to choose whether to stay or not to stay in that organization. So, social norms and hierarchies, seniority is a prevalent practice and decision making process. Top down and dissatisfaction with lack of career opportunities. If there is no hierarchy in the organization, it will result in lack of opportunity for career and progress. For example, if there is a flat organization and everybody works works in the organization almost on equal positions, there is a very limited hierarchy that there is a manager and there is a senior manager and there is an owner of the organization or managing director of the organization. So little level of hierarchies are also having a positive impact for something, but it lacks in terms of career development and career opportunities. So we will explore this, how it can be a push factor and what organizations can do for this. So moving away from traditional social norms in which subordinates roles do not disregard with the senior people or the people who have the authority to make decisions. Because when people are, or if you see the second point, it might be easy for us to understand that redesigning decision making process or empowering knowledge workers. So employee empowerment or empowering knowledge workers to make decision is a very rich area in research, and there is a rich research and a large body of research which suggests that this could be a single most important factor which can help an employee to perform and also for the organization to retain. Because when employees are given the power to make decision, this is what the concept is: employee empowerment. When employees are given the power to make decision, they feel that they are the valued member of their organization. The power to make decision can be at two different levels. One is at the role level and second is at the organizational level. When we say role level, that means you are giving empowerment to employees to make decisions in whatsoever role or whatsoever in whatsoever capacity they are working in an organization. For example, you are working as a teller in a bank and you don't have the power to make a decision, and if the check is more than of 100,000, you have to go for approval to your senior. How will you feel about it? Are you not trusted? Are you not having the talent to make a decision whether the somebody who has come to bank to cash that check is the right person? Only the person sitting inside the office or in the cabin, somebody known as a manager, he has the ability to recognize that the person who came to the bank to cash that check is the right person. You don't have that capability or skills or knowledge. How would you feel about that? Anyway, you will see that it's a wastage of time. There is a queue of people who wants a good service, but the processes in the organization, the way organization has distributed the power, and the way organization has organized the power distribution in the organization may frustrate you to offer the best service to your customers. I don't want to quote here. That's a very long thing in the book written about the Lawler 1986. And Lawler suggests that These are the hierarchies that are the handcuff in terms of the people. They want to deliver the good service, and you might have heard many times in when you are going to an organization for any service, you might have heard that, sir, we want to do that for you, and we would be happy we do for you, but this is not our policy. We have to get approval from manager. They want to deliver, they want to do something good for you, but they are handcuffed by the policies and procedures, and they don't have the power to make the decision. So in terms of when we talk about the pyramid, or when we talk about the hierarchical structure in an organization, yes, you can, there is a good thing that organizations can, employees can see a career and growth, that they can grow after some period of time, or when they are qualified to do that. But at the same time, it is something which is a push factor towards the employees thinking to leave the organization when they are not able to, or when they have not given opportunity to make decision. So making it simple, employee empowerment, or the employee's ability, or employee participation in decision making, remains at the heart of a strategic human resource management that give power to employees to make decisions. Thank you.